creativity.
Spark change.
SPARKZ. 2 months ago, this was just an idea. And before that, it was kind of a dream. And I say a dream is an idea without a plan. I want to host a 3D printing camp, and I want to send all the kids home with a 3D printer. I drew up like what the days were gonna look like and what the budget was gonna cost and how many students do I think I could handle, how many educators I would need, who are the students gonna be, and then I started pitching around the idea. Yes, you're getting these 3D printers in middle school. Yes, you can keep doing this in high school, but you can go to college for this and get a career in it as well. There's a quote, and I'm just gonna paraphrase it, from author Toni Morrison, and she said, "Write the book that you always wanted to read." And for me, this is creating the camp that I always wanted to go to. And I put out the invite to 16 students. All 16 of you showed up every single day. I had all of the students create puzzle pieces. I started with the SPARKZ puzzle piece. I want you to place your SPARKZ piece on this puzzle, so then the next group of students that come through, they can add their piece to the puzzle.